Hello everyone, Paulo Arruda from Elastoproxy. So today we're going to show you how to properly install a bonded gasket with adhesive. There's a lot of challenges which I will guide you through at each step. So first of all, it's important to have the right cleaning product. The often used one is isopropyl alcohol with just a standard rag. So the first thing you do, you obviously take the rag and put some alcohol on it. And in this here, I will show you this area. The green area would be the adhesion area. So that's where you have to clean it. So what I'm gonna do just to properly just do a quick cleaning of the adhesion area, like this. Make sure there's no dust, no debris or grease or anything on the adhesion surface. You let it dry a few seconds. It's alcohol, so it dries pretty fast. So the next step, what we do is you receive the gaskets in their packaging. So you will take the first gasket. They come folded for the big ones. So you take one like this. So they're folded in 8 shape. Rectangular, any side is okay. So first thing you do, you start by the top section. So obviously I have a ladder here just to, so it's very important that you start by the corners. Never start bonding in the center first. It's always corners first. So, and the top section. So you take a small section off. You align with the side, let's say, often you have a frame, so you align that, firmly press. So you don't pull right away, you go to the other side, you pull the tabs, and you do the same thing, like this. So now you have the top corners done. There's no stretch here. So you go towards the center. You pull on the tab. Like this. And then you will just bond. Because it's a short distance, you can press on any side like this. So now you have your top portion secured. Now, let's move down. Same thing. The danger with the long gaskets is that they can easily stretch. So if you come from top to bottom and sticking, you may end all the way up, all the way down, up to 1 inch in difference. So you don't want that. So, so what you do is you come here. You do the same thing as the top section. You pull the tabs and then you install. Sometimes the gasket may be slightly shorter without stress. This is done on purpose because you want to have like a snug fit like this. You press, okay, and then I'll do this side here. So the idea is to slowly come. Don't push right away. You come towards the center like this. You press the center. The other side, you also remove. You see, you don't press it right away. And then once you press, then you start aligning things up like this. So I'm not stretching the gasket. Very important to never stretch to pull. And then you align it properly. So now you have like one complete side. Same exercise on this side here. I take it off a little bit. Align the corner. Press. This, I'm gonna do the bottom portion. So always pull the tab in this direction so it doesn't rip easily. So you just take like that. Press from center to the edges. Again, it forgives a bit because it's a small section. You can do it like that. Same way, here, pull, don't press. Center, pull. You can, here, you can just do a first alignment in the center about halfway through, just to secure. Same thing here, you go up. And now you start positioning the gasket align with the door like this. Same thing, when you don't press, it doesn't stick as hard, so you can pull back a little bit just to realign, like that. Once you're done bonding the gaskets, it's important that installers often have a roller, a rubber roller, to roll the gasket to ensure a maximum surface contact here. So as much as you press with your hands, it's never the same as you would go. So what we do is you start, let's say, like this. Always, let's say, towards the center, like that. So you go down just to ensure a maximum adhesion like this. Press. You don't have to press too hard. It's just enough for create a good contact of the surface. And there you go. Now you have to allow 24 to 48 hours for a maximum bond, which means if you want to pull on this, you will have the impression that it's not bonding very strong, but the adhesive creates a maximum bond between 24 to 48 hours, so allow it to create this chemical bond to the surface, to the substrate. I hope this helped. Thank you very much.